you see? Well, can't you see? Circles, squares, prisms, spheres.
So Euler, tell me about your formula.
When Leonhard Euler, a Swiss mathematician, discovered a relationship among the number of faces, vertices, and edges of any polyhedron. The result is known as Euler's formula. My formula consists of the number of faces, vertices, and edges of a polyhedron and are related by the formula. My formula is
F plus
Now where's that V?
V equals E plus 2.
Now I will show you the faces, vertices, and edges of this box that pertain to Euler's formula. Now this is the face of this box, one of the many faces, and that is F in the formula. Then these are the vertices, are the corners of the boxes, and the edges are right here. The side right here, and that's E in the formula. So now you will have F plus V equals E plus 2.
How many faces does a sphere have?
I don't know, maybe, 2?
Geometry gives
Wrong. Spheres have no faces.
geometry gives us all a
To get a cross section of a sphere, you would have to cut it right down the middle, or really anywhere, and you would get a cross section, which is a circle for spheres. To find a cross section of a prism, you would cut it down the middle, just like a sphere, and when you would open it, you would get a rectangle cross section.
Now, let's talk about volumes of prisms and cylinders.
Let's go find Ashley to talk about finding the volume of rectangular prisms.
Hello.
Hello, we are trying to find the volume of rectangular prisms. Can you help us out?
Yes. Okay, well, the volume of a prism is very similar to finding the volume of a cylinder minus one step. So you go, volume equals base times the height.
Thanks for your help.
Oh, no problem.
geometry gives us all
V equals
Base.
times height. Caitlin, do you want to go find someone to see if they know about the volume of a prism?
Sure, why not?
All right. Hello? Do you know about the volume of a prism?
I didn't
Think so?
Let's go find Megan to talk about how to find the volume of cylinders.
If you have the height, the base, and the radius, you can find the volume of any cylinder.
geometry gives us all a
Volume equals
Pi.
r squared times height. If you have the radius or the diameter, you can find the volume of a sphere.
So, if I go across this whole pool in a straight line, splitting it down the middle, I will get the diameter of the pool. Now I'm going along, taking a little trip. Let's push the water, go a little faster here. And here is the diameter. I just created the diameter of the pool. Now, I'm going to show you the radius. The radius is half of the diameter. So if I stop in the middle of the pool, from that end around there, I will get the radius. And here you are, the radius and diameter of this pool.
Let's go find Caitlin to talk about how to find the volume of a sphere.
1, 2,
Hey Caitlin!
103.
I was wondering, how do you find the
Oh,
volume
wait.
of a sphere?
What a workout. What was the question?
How do you find the volume of a sphere?
Well, it's very simple. You take a sphere like this one, like so. And the formula is 4 divided by 3 multiply pi, which is 3.14, multiply the radius, and then cube it. And that is a simple formula.
Thanks, Caitlin, for your help.
Oh, no problem. You know, spheres are so simple nowadays.
Geometry gives us all.
Equals 4 divided by 3.
Pi!
R cubed. Megan, can you tell me what the formula for the volume of a sphere is?
Volume equals base times height?
No, that's wrong.
You know what? My pancreas is dead!
Well, on that note, my pancreas is still alive, and that's the end.
Geometry gives us all our shapes, you see. Well, can't you see?